Hello and welcome to How to Log In. In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how you can change your profile picture in Signal Messenger. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open the Signal app on your phone. The next thing you want to do is click on your profile on the top left hand corner and click on your profile once again. After you do so, you can see that there is an option of edit photo. Go ahead and tap on edit photo and you can see that there are some default graphical photos over here. But if you want to change it and keep your own photo over here, you can see the camera option. You can take the photo or else you can take photos from your gallery. Go ahead and tap on photos, allow access, go ahead and tap on allow all, and you can select the photo which you really want to choose. After you do so, you can select the photo and tap on the tick mark. Then click on the tick mark once again and click save. After you do so, you can notice that the photo has now been changed. You can also add text to your photo. So you can go ahead and write the 3 letters and click done, and you can see that this will become your profile picture. But if you don't want to do this and want to add some photos, you can do that as well. I hope this video about how you can change your profile picture in Signal was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.